Hello and welcome to Robix TV. This time we're going to talk about converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. Last time we discussed how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. So this time we are going to reverse the conversion. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so we have converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we have this formula, Fahrenheit to Celsius, that is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. And another formula for estimation, we have estimate is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 30 divided by 2. So 32 is rounded off to 30 and 1.8 is rounded off to 2. Okay, so let us start with example number 1. Alright, so we have 98 degree Fahrenheit convert into Celsius. So we have to write the formula that is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 and then divided by 1.8. Okay, so that is equal to 98 minus 32 divided by 1.8. 98 minus 32, that will give us an answer of 66. So we have 66 divided by 1.8. That will give us an answer of 36.66 degree Celsius. Alright. In estimation, we have degree Fahrenheit minus 30 divided by 2. Okay, that is equal to 98 minus 30 divided by 2. And 98 minus 30, that will give us an answer of 68 and then divided by 2. Alright, that will give us an answer of 34 degree Celsius. Alright, so 34 is close to 36.6. There is only 2.66 difference. Alright, let us proceed to example number 2. So we have 17 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. Okay, we have degree Fahrenheit, okay, minus 32 divided by 1.8. So that is equal to 17 minus 32 divided by 1.8. So 17 minus 32, that will give us an answer of negative 15, right? And then divided by 1.8. Okay, so negative 15 divided by 1.8, that will give us an answer of negative 8.33. Alright, so in estimation, we have degree Fahrenheit minus 30 divided by 2. Okay, that is equal to 17 minus 30 divided by 2. Alright, 17 minus 30 will give us an answer of negative 13. Okay, and then divided by 2, this will give us an answer of negative 6.5. Okay, so this is how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless. Mabuhay.